Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the DJI Inspire 3 Professional Cinema Drone Combo with the Zenmuse X9-8K Air Gimbal camera. I've looked through information, professional reviews, filmmaker experiences, and discussions across the internet, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you whether I think you should buy this drone or skip it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The DJI Inspire 3 isn't designed for casual flying or weekend photography. This is a serious professional filmmaking platform built for movie productions, commercial advertising, documentaries, and high-end content creation. The biggest highlight is the Zenmuse X9-8K Air full-frame camera that captures stunning 8K footage with Apple ProRes RAW at up to 75 frames per second and CinemaDNG recording. That means incredible image quality with exceptional detail, giving editors enormous flexibility during post-production. With more than 14 stops of dynamic range and dual native ISO, it performs exceptionally well in difficult lighting conditions, preserving highlights and shadows while producing cinematic colors that professionals demand. Flight performance is equally impressive. The Inspire 3 is incredibly responsive, stable, and precise, making complex camera movements look effortless. Whether you're filming fast-moving vehicles, action scenes, or smooth cinematic reveals, the drone remains remarkably stable even in challenging environments. The upgraded obstacle sensing system and advanced positioning technology also provide additional confidence during demanding shoots, allowing pilots to focus more on creativity than constantly worrying about the aircraft. One feature professionals will immediately appreciate is the included bundle. Instead of buying accessories separately, DJI includes 6 TB51 Intelligent Batteries, a charging hub, the RC Plus Controller, a 1 TB PROS SSD, carrying cases, quick-release propellers, and everything needed to begin production immediately. The 6-battery setup is especially valuable because batteries can be hot-swapped, reducing downtime between flights and allowing long production days without constantly waiting for charging. The RC Plus controller deserves plenty of praise as well. Its large 7-inch display with 1,200 nits of brightness stays visible even under direct sunlight, making composition and monitoring much easier outdoors. The included waist support and carrying strap may seem like small additions, but during long filming sessions, they significantly reduce fatigue for operators who spend hours controlling the drone. Storage is another area where DJI clearly understands professional workflows. The included 1 TB PROS SSD is designed specifically for handling massive 8K video files without slowing production. Fast transfers mean editors can move footage directly into professional editing software with minimal delays, keeping projects moving efficiently. Of course, none of this comes cheaply. The Inspire 3 represents a major investment, and it's definitely not the right drone for beginners or hobbyists. It's larger, more complex, and requires experience to operate safely and effectively. If your primary goal is YouTube travel videos, family vacations, or casual aerial photography, you'll likely be paying for capabilities you'll never fully use. There are far more affordable drones that deliver excellent results for everyday creators. However, if you're running a production company, shooting feature films, television projects, high-end commercials, or working as a professional cinematographer, the value becomes much easier to justify. The image quality, flight precision, professional codecs, included accessories, and reliable ecosystem make it one of the most complete cinema drone packages currently available. After looking through the internet and comparing professional feedback with competing cinema drones, my recommendation is clear. If you're a professional filmmaker who needs uncompromising image quality and a production-ready system, this is absolutely a buy. It delivers outstanding performance and includes nearly everything required for serious filmmaking right out of the box. But if you're a hobbyist or even an advanced enthusiast, I would honestly recommend saving your money and choosing something more practical, because you'll rarely use the Inspire 3 to its full potential. That's my review of the DJI Inspire 3 Professional Cinema Drone Combo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest honest reviews. And if you're interested in picking up this incredible cinema drone, click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.